I am Usha Pathak, want to teach you basic English for Hindi medium students. Teachers and students, please hear this audio very carefully. This audio is helpful for teachers and students also. Our problem is that from where we start to learn English. It is the big problems for teachers and students. English learning start from zero. How it is possible? In my opinion, teaching and learning process started just after the birth of a child. Some words like milk, water and honey. It means the basic teaching is starts with mother through some objects, which is important for the life of a child. These words are noun. Here we can draw our conclusion that if we started teaching them about objects, that objects are found in our surroundings. Some rhymes, which is very important for the children, which is sung by the elders with a appropriate action and gesture. The technique will help them and they can easily grasp. Some important and great stories should be told by the elders, which make them learn the importance of life. Children have a curiosity to know new things, means they want to go for journey of knowledge about reading and writing. Elders and teachers should teach them which will give them clear meaning and concept. Teachers should not teach directly alphabet to the children. In the course of teaching, capital and small letters should be taught to the children when we teach them one syllable words like sun, sky, day, boy, girls, etc. Rhyming words should also be taught to the children like bed, red, cot, hot, big, dig, etc. Teachers should always teach new words and their use in our life. The children have a strong grasping power through the pictures. So, tell them, collect some pictures of any objects which is animate or inanimate. At first, teachers should read the text and then tell them and tell the children read the text aloud. Teachers should also encourage them to try some phrases like please try, oh, you are so good. Teachers should tell them about A, E, I, O, U and 1 to 50 numbers. They should write on the blackboard and tell them write in their copies like animal's name, flower's name, plant's name, color's name with correct pronunciation. When the children get familiar with one syllable words, teachers should introduce them with two syllable words like football, bathroom, someone, etc. These types of words should use for build up some new words meaning. For example, foot plus ball, bath plus room, some plus one, etc. Here, two syllable words make their make them individual meaning like foot, bath, ball, room, some, one, etc. We can learn many words from this process. Say the students to write opposite words. It is also helpful to exercise his mind and make new words from build up new words like downwards, upwards, mighty, week, day, night, etc. Teachers should give them knowledge about the sound of animals, including the name of their babies. Some tongue twister words and sentences should be taught to the students. Words building is an art of language. Teachers should give the students some words and tell them to make 2 or 3 words as much as possible. Some words may be butterfly, everywhere, sunlight, etc. In this process, students increase their vocabulary. For example, the words butterfly. We can make from this word butter, utter, fly. Teacher is a role model to the student, so teachers should carefully behave with the students. Give them jumble words to increase their mental ability, and also discuss with them about describing words with correct pronunciation. It will be beneficial to the students. If you come to my site in first time, please subscribe my channel and also like.